The woven circle is one of the simplest stitches you could make. Make 4 straight stitches in 4 directions of a circle. You can choose to make them long or short. I'm showing the stitch on a big circle, but you can make it as small as you want. Also, note that this technique can be applied not only on 4 straight stitches made deliberately for this stitch, but you can combine it with similar straight stitches which is a part of other stitches. Once you are done making the 4 base stitches, bring another thread and start taking it under each of these stitches. Work 2 journeys before you finish the stitch. The bigger the circle, the more squarish the stitch will appear. Smaller ones will create a more round shape. This stitch is great to create textures and center of flowers or any circle shape quickly. I hope you liked this video. Drop a comment if you have. Also, don't forget to check the description for the link to our 600-page hand embroidery ebook, where you can learn this stitch and 300 more. Thank you for watching.